Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in meta ads, and that is how you can get maximum views for your landing page. Basically, in today's video I will let you know how you can drive maximum traffic to your website through paid ads, and with the help of that you will get maximum clicks and maximum visitors on your website. That will help you to grow your overall and organic searches, and also people will know about your website and your traffic will be increased with the help of a campaign. And all these things are discussed will be in the today's video, and I will let you know how you can create that campaign. With the help of that you can increase your website traffic from 0 to 1000. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you. So first of all, you just need to go to the FB ads dashboard, and here you just need to click on the create button, which is in the green. And once you click on it, as you can see, there are different objectives will be showcased here. If you see my old video, I have already described you about all of the objectives, and in today's video we will use the traffic objective, because in today's video our objective is to get maximum views, basically maximum traffic for our website. So we want to redirect the people directly to our website and get more traffic. So I will use traffic objective here, and in traffic objective our objective is landing page view. As you can see, landing page view. So now I have already chosen the objective. Now I will just click on the continue button, and once I click on it, it will always ask us whether you want to choose AI option or manual traffic. I will choose only manual traffic because that will give us more control. So I will use manual traffic option here, and after that I will click on the continue button. And once I click on the continue button, here I have already chosen my objective, and my goal is traffic to get maximum visitor to my website. So I have already chosen that here, and after that in the ad set section you need to choose maximum number of landing page views as your performance goal, because our main objective is to redirect people directly to our website, and for that you need to choose maximum number of landing page views. Here they are showing a maximum number of link clicks, but our objective is different. We need to choose website first, send traffic to our website as a conversion. Okay, and here in the performance goal we need to choose maximum number of landing page views, so that the algorithm works accordingly and we will get maximum number of landing page views with the help of this paid campaign. And after that you just need to add your audiences, because I will always use broad audience for the landing page views campaign, because as you can see, if we want to increase our website traffic, so there will be no restriction for the traffic. That is why I will use broad audience here. I will choose my target location, that is Canada, and after that I will directly go to the traffic like ad level, and here I will just put my ad. It take time, 1 second. Here in the setup creative option you can add your image or video, whatever you want. If you think your video is more convincing to redirect the people directly to your website, then you can use video. If your image is more attractive, then you can use image as well. I will use image here. I will go to the content part. Here I will use any of the one image. Let's suppose this is the image which we are using right now. I will put the text, continue, and click on the button. As you can see, our ads is created now, and we have put the URL as well, as this is our website URL where we want to redirect the visitors. So I will use it here. And in the heading section you can use heading as per your convenience. In the primary text, if you want, you can add primary text. If you don't want, then there is no restriction of it. You can always do what you think will be best work for your ad. So in headline I will use Snuffle Mats. Objective campaign. Basically, we are trying to get people to our website. So if they will click on the learn more, if we'll say learn more as a call to action, that will be more engaging for them, so that they will click on it to learn more about our website and redirect to our website. So as you can see, now everything is set up. Snuffle Mats, learn more, this is our image. We just need to click on the publish button, and once I click on the publish button, our campaigns will be published. So as you can see, now every particular person who will click on our ad and landing on our website, it will be count as a landing page view in the section which I have already described you. So this is how we create a website traffic campaign, our meta ads campaign, and this is how you can increase your website traffic from 0 to 1000, and in that way your website get higher reach and it will help you to get more customers. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me to the number flashing on the screen. Bye bye.